Hello friends and a warm welcome back to my channel. My name is Ria. If you're new here, please consider subscribing if you love cooking or would love to learn how to bring more Caribbean flavors and recipes into your kitchen. Today I'm with my aunties and we're making Saheena, a West Indian vegan fritter eaten with mango or tamarind chutney. It's made with spinach, spices, seasonings, and ground split peas or flour, a combination of both. Today we're excited to teach you how to make this easily at home. So let's start cooking! Dasheen bush or taro leaves are traditionally used to make this Saheena, but today we're using a combination of pui bhaji and edo's leaves from the garden. We're also using chopped frozen spinach to make up the quantity needed for this recipe. This just goes to show that this recipe is very flexible and adaptable to whatever you have on hand. There are two types of Saheena, the simple one, the chopped up method that we're sharing today, and there's also the rolled up method. Let us know in the comment section below if you'd like to see that recipe. If using fresh spinach, place it in a bowl and pour enough hot water to cover. The whole idea behind this is to wilt the spinach and also to tenderize it. Let it sit for a couple of minutes and then we'll strain. Next, we'll measure out the remaining ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of all-purpose flour, or you can mix it with the ground split peas and use 2 cups of flour and 1 cup of ground split peas, which should add up to about a pound total.
Minced garlic. There you go.
To add flavor, we'll add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of minced bandania, also known as culantro, a cousin of cilantro. You may also use cilantro or green seasoning if you have. Minced hot pepper to taste, habanero, scotch bonnet, wiri wiri, or cherry pepper.
For flavor, that's it. Thank you.
Next on the list is half teaspoon of turmeric and about 1 teaspoon of salt, and we're using Himalayan salt just for your reference. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of instant yeast.
And you mix it all together with your hands.
Once all those ingredients are thoroughly incorporated, we'll add in this spinach. Saheena and mango or tamarind chutney will also make a great addition to your Diwali menu, so give it a try. Next, we'll gradually add lukewarm water and knead to form a soft, sticky dough.
Alright, and it's well mixed. So now
The dough should be sticky and soft, and once you're done kneading, allow the dough mixture to rest for 20 to 30 minutes.
so dry. Need a chutney.
A pound of flour, 1 pound of spinach, 1 tablespoon of yeast, self-rising. TBS, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And 2 tablespoons of shari benny.
When we're ready to fry, heat the oil in a medium pot over medium heat, and with oiled hands, we'll pinch off pieces and form into a small disc.
See, get all shapes and then come out. Like that. Finish the oil. I'm almost done here. I could eat when I go inside.
Yeah.
Are you going, girl? I find I just got a lot of break. You see, when you put all that spinach, it's healthier. It's flour. Might come out crispy for all you know.
You have no idea?
Nice. This is what you do. Yeah.
We'll place the dough into the pot, 3 to 4 at a time, depending on the size of the pot, and fry until the bottom is golden brown. Then we'll flip and cook the other side until golden brown as well and no longer raw. Yeah, I already see that step.
Nice. That we'll do that. No, I see I need more paper again. Let me take this piece away. I think I wanted to save the oil from going down on this thing. But it is really nice. Let's use all the space I can get.
Yeah, put one more.
I think golden brown. What do you want color?
Once the Saheena is done frying, light golden brown or dark golden brown according to your preference, remove it to a paper towel lined tray or a brown paper bag lined tray. Then repeat with the remaining dough, ensuring that the oil comes back to temperature in between batches.
Now this is where you really need the grind chutney. Put it in the center of this.
Now you're gonna say?
Did we put 5 in the other one? Let me see.
You want to eat it? Eat it. Right.
Delicious. Good. So, cut.
Oh.
Crunchy on the outside and yummy on the inside. Nice, we had to turn this again. Nice and brown and dry.
Wow,
All right,
we
it's
cheers
okay.
it until, yeah? Yeah?
No, the color is good.
Lift it up and put it in the middle there. Okay.
You like this? The color varies according to the
Hungriness
no,
of the person.
the hunger time you give to it. If you're doing something, yeah.
Like tasting. And that's all there is to it. As Auntie Jang said, crunchy on the outside and yummy on the inside. That's it for today, my friends. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed being in the kitchen with us. Share this video with your social media community and subscribe if you wish to be a part of the Cooking with Rhea family. As always, I look forward to hearing from you below. Stay safe, be well, cook, share and love. Until next time, bye bye.